Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change system vibration intensity in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to sounds and vibration. Go to sounds and vibration and here select system vibration, and here you can change system vibration intensity. If you would like to increase system vibration intensity, you have to move this bar to the right side. That is, it is already set to maximum intensity. Okay, right mouse will be the maximum system vibration intensity. If you would like to decrease system vibration, just you go to move this point to the left side. Okay, this is very low or no system vibration. So in this way you can increase or decrease system vibration intensity. You can also set at your desired level. Suppose if you would like to set at this level, keep this point here and system vibration intensity will be at this level. Okay, so in this way you can easily change system intensity vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.